Oh my gosh. It's good. We're good. Okay. That scared the crap out of me. Alright, do you mind if I move forward for a little bit? Okay, bring my card out over there. Thanks.
Come on.
What he's doing.
Holy jeez.
Just give me a second.
Some of these people.
Why would he cut in front of you? Yeah.
And he's going here.
Yeah, just give me a second. Let me talk to him.
They park in their special spot. They're handicapped, I guess, both of them. And
Oh my God! He hit me! He hit me!
they park in their special spot. They're handicapped, I guess, both of them. And
Oh my God! He hit me! He hit me! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Your dog?
Awesome. Yeah, once you get that all torqued down, I think you'll really feel the difference. And fingers crossed, no more popping or creaking. Let me know how it goes once you've taken it for a spin.
Cause I don't return. I don't chase safety, I don't chase praise, I don't chase mercy.
Standard orbit, Mr. LaForge.
Standard orbit, sir.
What?
Word from Star.
Cool.
Nothing so far, sir.
Get him! Get his ass!
On record with so many annoying, offbeat, intentionally ugly moments.
Oh, look at that. Maybe he's gonna get both of them.
On some point,
Yep.
Fairway Beach is what
Thank
we
you.
all want. To go out so that love from the first step, lays out the best.